Wacho chwalo tila mokwongo mar chai momedne ndhadhu madhi e piny Australia kowuok e port ma Mombasa. Jatend migawo mar pur Mithika Linturi noyango tan 2.6 madhi ting'o malo sekta mar pur chai e pacho ka. Linturi wacho ni mano tilo mokwongo moyawo chiro manyien ne piny Kenya. Chai no ibiro usi $11.5 kuom kilo kipimo kod $2.5 miuso godo chai e pacho ka. Omedo ni yawo chiro manyien dhi konyo piny Kenya kalore kod dok chien mar chirni chai ma piny Pakistan kod Misri.
The 33 million tons we have done this year, 733,000 tons are from the tea exports. So I congratulate also the CS and the ministry for the new initiative of getting to the new markets of specialized tea.
This one is just the start of a big boom that we have in the tea industry.
Programs such as these, it creates jobs within the economy.
That is where the world is going. So we are really getting so committed to addressing those issues of the farmer in terms of making sure there is value addition. And I'm sure in another few months we will be able to really have established other lines, of course, within the established factories.